Okay, so 25 cases, no? I've finished it already for legal English, and particularly on the cases are on the criminal procedures, no? It's all about criminal procedures. So this is the first case. One. Finish na ako nito, no? Second, third, fourth, fifth case, sixth, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so 25 cases all in all. God bless.